Coffee time with Dave. Hello there. How you doing? Chinda, why are you in the footage? Oh, that's why. It just feels like a weird spot to start.
It's the beginning of the
Don't we have any planing? No, we planed all these.
Yeah.
In the planing videos or films, footage?
Or it got used in another version.
And you can use a little bit of it?
Because it's too repetitive. You can't use footage from one video in here.
Yeah, I guess. This is laminated, right?
With the tongue and groove, yeah.
No, but it's plywood.
Yeah.
It's not veneered. It's can't remember the actual the term.
A thin sheet
Lamella.
of
Lamellas. Yes. When you use anything that's around over 1/16 of an inch, they're called lamellas. And if you use anything under that, it would be veneer. Veneers are less than paper thin. Ooh, look at that blade. The miters. Oh man, I'm really out of practice on this. Yeah, it's been a while if you guys haven't noticed when we've done a video. This was recorded, what do you think, Linda? Months ago? When was this recorded? January?
Several months ago.
This was January. I forgot what I did yesterday. I'm not sure I remember what I did.
Probably close to March.
Was it?
Yeah.
I'm lucky on that one. This is a lot of trial and error. I think I redid these a couple times. Because I wanted to miter everything. And keep everything without any nails or glue. I mean, no, just glue. No nails. And just the screws to hold on the hardware. But I don't know why I get in moods like that. I just want to use glue and nothing else.
See, there's your planing footage.
Yeah, what are you planing? The drawers? Oh, the drawer faces? I think it's the drawer faces. Yeah, the drawer faces you're saying I'm planing there. Yeah, I know, we have that big giant 18-inch planer and it just sits broken. Stupid thing. Should've just bought it brand new, not used. Learn your lesson. Just buy new. Don't buy used crap. You're just inheriting someone else's junk. Advice for the day.
Dad advice for the day.
Don't do what I do.
Do as I say, not as I do.
Every dad motto. Do what I say, not what I do. And priest. Do what they say, not what they do. Yeah, tape. See? Just tape. Only tape.
Glue and
Tape and glue. No, I use duct tape, and that's it. For all my furniture builds, and you see how nice they turn out? Canadian duct tape. It's one of a kind, best thing ever.
It wasn't even duct tape.
I know. Man, I just can't get these things right. Oh my goodness, you guys should see how dirty my shop is right now.
It's so bad.
That is clean, what you see there. There's piles everywhere. We've been really busy.
Yep.
I guess that's why we took 6 months to get a video out. Has it been that much?
Might be close to
3 months? Or that feels longer.
It does.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I mentioned, all the pieces are lamellas, which means a 1/8 piece glued onto plywood. I'm sure you can see in the corner there. And then, is it hickory? Yeah, I think it's hickory we're using. Oh, I did use screws. Oh, bad. Guess I had to.
See, I told you.
No, I used nothing. I used only glue.
I told you.
Only glue, that's all I used.
He was adamant that he did not use any screws or nails.
For all my miters, I used only glues. These are the little pieces, the shelf pieces.
Mm-hmm. The shelf divider, or the drawer divider.
The drawer dividers, yeah. They're just decorative. Take the next drawer piece. And then put it in. And then fiddle with it some more. And another for a couple hours. Fiddle it some more.
Did you just say that?
No, it sounded like it. Was a couple hours? I think it was 5 or 6 couple hours there. So I was trying to go for it. And I was like, "Oop, it sounds like I said the F word."
No swear words were made in the making of this video.
No, swearing doesn't come naturally to me.
That's good.
Not even when I'm mad. Punching does though.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see. 'Cause I can feel the energy. Cause I can feel the energy. I've met my demons one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind will wander.
I'm back now. I think this I used a couple nails on the back there to hold it in place. Supply was slightly warped.
No screws and nails, huh?
Just a couple. Just a few little ones. Almost minuscule. You can't even count them. Yeah, you can't count those. They don't really count. Got any more coffee, Trunda? I'm running out. Siine. We only did these once, right? We didn't do them too many times. We didn't screw these up, did we? I can't remember.
I think we did.
Did we make it too dark?
I think one side was light and then the rest of it was a little too dark.
And then we played with that stain for a while to get that to fit in.
You get to see some of that on some of those fun
Fun
times
sanding?
in the next video.
Which one?
In the
Oh,
bookshelf.
we did the book. Oh, coffee. I'm not zipping enough. Can I just have yours?
My coffee.
Thank you, Trinda. Make a good wife one day. Yeah, she just poured me a cup of coffee. I'm too lazy to get up. What are you spraying? I think, yeah. I had, the only way I could match the color of the cabinets was to first do a base stain and then do a spray stain on top to get the same kind of look the cabinet guys had. They were very happy with the end result of the stain.
Which is very good because it took
Oh,
us
took us
literally
forever.
5 times, 5 different tries, 5
Yeah.
different methods.
A lot of methods. I think this one's too dark. Can't remember. I get carried away with spraying because I see a little thing and then I want to touch it up and touch it up and touch it up and then all of a sudden it's too much. Those are actually for the bookshelf, Trinda.
Hmm?
Those are for the bookshelf, not for this video.
Oh no!
Look, you guys get a preview.
It was done all at the same time.
Yes, it was. Trinda could have used some color, that's why I sprayed her.
No, you sprayed the camera. They need them.
Navy color. Easy there. Someone can take that the wrong way.
You get offended. Oh my goodness, it's assembly.
Assembly of the drawers. I did use screws, yes.
So it's not entirely glue.
The outside case is.
Why?
I am not making dovetail joints for a drawer. I'm sorry. I do not have that kind of time and patience. I need to make money, guys. I can't do dovetail joints. No one pays for them. They're functional drawers with pocket screws that you cannot see. What do you need more than that?
We didn't bother staining the underside because no one's gonna see it.
Nope. Now you know.
Oh, and only you know. Don't tell anyone.
Don't tell the homeowners. Or the drawer owners. Here's the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good.
It did turn out pretty good.
I wish we had a door that we can show you the guys the difference there to see the color match. Okay, I guess we'll see you guys on the bookshelf. That should be next week. So, something like that.
Next couple
Bye.
weeks. Make
See
sure to
ya.
check out all
Later.
of the.
Shut up, Jimmy.
Make sure to check out all of the social medias and links down in the description.
They left
Subscribe,
already.
like.
They're gone. You're talking to no one. Bye.